Okay, so we have a new Blender file here, and what we're going to do is some environmental lighting. We're going to go to the render, and this is the default Blender setup. We're going to click the earth, color, environment texture, open. I'm going to pick one of these. You can see how it changed the lighting, and just to show you again, switch it. And what we're going to do is tweak the strength, and to get rid of it, click camera, film, transparent. Now it doesn't render. And what we're going to do is put a plane out here. Okay, and we're going to see our camera. And my goal is to make this look a little better. So start just by going here. I have some kind of shape, just so we can get some light. Okay, and we'll use that, and I'm gonna get some textures over here. Some surface scattering, some surface radius, and specular down, roughness up. And for this, we're going to make a new texture, make it dark. And so we're already getting some shadows. And for our background, it's better than before. Let's spend some money over here. Ambient occlusion. We will add some shadow, expensive shadows, high dip shadows, do soft shadows, make a threshold. So let's add some other light area. And we're gonna constrain it, track to cube. Now when we move it, it'll always face it. We're going to make it bigger and put a light. Let's make it a different color and try 1000 watt. Okay. So we're just going to try to make something interesting, nothing special. Let's see. Let's copy and paste that. Oh, we don't want to do that. Add another light area. Let's constrain this one. To the object. And make it a little bigger. And change it to like a blue. We'll make this one 800. Okay. Let's check our camera. Let's even go 3000. Okay. I even move it further away. But as you see, it's a lot more interesting than the standard light setup. And you guys can hang up, but I'll add some more stuff just in case you're not bored. So we get a sphere. Get rid of half of it. And shade smooth. Let's give it the color of the background. Floor. Okay, cool. And let's just play with the texture so you can see what changes. Subsurface down, metallic, specular, roughness,